Hello, Kif. Thanks for all the help you give us. My question is that I would like to make my business be an LLC. It's been a sole proprietorship for many years, and now it is in the middle of the year, and I would like to change it over to an LLC. I have an EIN number already. So what's going to happen at tax time? Is it going to be all mixed up because I'll have an EIN from sole proprietorship and also for when it is an LLC? That's the first question I've come up with so far in becoming an LLC. So I hope that all the rest is going to be easy. Thanks very much. And my name is Lucy Jennings, and thank you for all your help.
Hey Lucy, Kif here. Sorry for the delay in answering your question. I was on my mini sabbatical when you sent it, and so I'm just seeing it now today when I get back. To answer your question, going from a sole proprietorship to a single member LLC mid-year is something that a lot of people do, so you're not in weird territory here. It also isn't a trigger for a new EIN. New EINs are required when you go from a sole proprietorship to an LLC that there are more than one owner, that there's more than one member, or when you're going from a sole proprietorship to an LLC that's taxed as an S corporation. Then in those two instances, you do need a new EIN, and it does add a little layer of complication come tax time. But going from a sole proprietorship to a single member LLC that's just a disregarded entity according to the IRS, which just means you do your taxes on a Schedule C just like you did before, that is not a trigger for a new EIN, and so that makes things a lot easier in the transition. Some people like to do it at the end or the beginning of the month. Maybe their paperwork comes back on the 12th, but they don't start running things through the LLC until the 1st, or at a quarter transition just for an accounting purposes. But you can do it whenever that paperwork comes back. And if you aren't aware, we do have a little course inside the Artist Courtyard that does walk you step by step through the process of creating your LLC and answering lots of questions that might come up as you go through the process. So thanks so much for submitting your question, and I hope that helps answer it. Talk to you soon. Bye.